intro. Welcome back to the YouTube channel for another video. First of all, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get us monetized. Also, a big shout out to Austin Colson. He's got a YouTube channel. Check him out. I'll leave a link for his channel down in the description below. But he did a little shout out for us and it really helped us get over the 1,000 subscriber mark. Anyways, today's video, as you can see, the crew cab here, it's got its taillight one side cut off here. But anyways, that's what we're going to be fixing in today's video, is the taillight pieces. Show you all that. Also, I just bought a new daily driver. It's a 97 Dodge 1500 single cab short bed with a 5.9. If you guys want to see videos on that, just let us know down in the comments below. I'll be doing little things such as putting new headlights on it, taillights, maybe do some sub stuff for just audio equipment, and also just did the headliner. Should have done a how-to for that, but we didn't, so you don't get to see that. But yeah, just let me know if you want to see more videos on this truck and kind of what I'm going to do with it. It's a super clean truck, under 100,000 miles. Anyways, I'm going to go show you what Dad's doing in the garage. Let's get to it. Now, we've never done this before, but we know that these things are spot welded on there, so we're just going to keep cutting and just take it easy. We're going to start on the parts trucks first before we start on the short bed. And by the time we get to the short bed, we'll have a pretty good grasp on how to remove these things. But yeah, like I said, we've never done this, but I'm sure you other Sweptline guys, you probably have the same rust issues and you might want to do this also. So here's a video to replace the ends of your bed on your Dodge Sweptline. Cut it right through. Alright guys, so we have to cut this big huge bumper off here so we can get to these ends here.
Jesus Christ. Now hold that. back.
Are you gonna glue them on, or what are you gonna do?
I gotta glue it from all the way down the south side edge. There's nowhere to get in there to weld it.
What kind of glue is it? So the back taillight housings is gonna get this panel bonding adhesive from 3M. Alright, so before these are getting glued on the truck, the rust is going to get fixed. Such as that rock there and some other spots.
You can't see it on camera.
Little peen hole.
Right there. Some right there.
Pretty rough, but a lot better than that right there. Definitely wasn't ready to What does it say? Just you gotta run a line down and that's it? What? It's gotta sit for a day. Whenever you want it?
Yeah.
I did actually take it. I want to clean up the bottom now. You're going to do that one. Alright guys, so the taillight pieces are on. And already fixed the rust to them, put metal to metal everywhere that it needs it. And now we're going to put the tailgate on so y'all can see that. Pretty easy to put on, huh? As you can tell, we got one truck here, 2 trucks there, 3 trucks there, 4 trucks there in parts. What you said you were going to do with this rust here, just make little patches?
Yeah, I
Where the blocks are. This is the tailgate on.
How close to that?
Nope. guys, we're about to take the bed off here so we can patch whatever rust is there and undercoat it.
Alright, sit down.
So heavy.
That's a 4-man job.
Yeah. Jeez. That is super heavy. I don't remember being that heavy before. It didn't hurt your hands so bad.
Yeah. Should have put some rags right there. I don't know if I'll stand it out.
Alright guys, just gonna wrap this video up. To start the next video, we'll start undercoating this and getting this bottom side of this bed looking pretty. And then putting it back on, and body work, then paint. Yeah?
Well, we're going to edge it, and then we're going to spray the bed coating on the inside, then get ready for paint.
Yeah. Still got a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.